When I left Kilkenny, I went into the tillage end of stuff and I went into the beef end of stuff because my father was milking. He retired in '05, and since then I suppose I've concentrated on the dairy end of stuff. My name is Donnacha O'Sullivan and I am from Mallerstown, County Kilkenny. I am milking 180 cows. I have a 22 unit Dairymaster with sequential baling. We have the auto wash, very flow milk pumps, very speed vacuum, draft and crate. We are using a batch feeder system belonging to Dairymaster, and we also have the pulse control boxes. Parlour was installed about 10 years ago. The Parlour that used to be here was a 6 unit Dairymaster. I suppose with the abolition of milk quotas, the system was just too small. The sequential baling is probably my favourite feature of this milking parlour. It's probably the reason why I put in this type of milking parlour. It gives full control for heifers, for cows. The biggest change I found again was the heifers. That if I have a heifer calved or I'm handling them, heifers always come in last, they always rush in. Sequential baling takes care of all that. It really does make it one person job. It's a very safe milking parlour for people working. I suppose when the old parlour was in here about 10 years ago, we were milking approximately 60 cows. It was taking us about 2 hours. At the moment we're milking 180 cows. In the morning time, approximately we're looking at maybe 1 hour, 10 minutes milking at peak, and in the evening time we're in around 50 minutes. I have kids, we have our own family, so they all operate, they all work in the milking parlour. In the evening time there's always 2, in the morning time 1. The dealer that I work with since when I went with this milking parlour was Willie Allen. To me, service is probably number 1 on my list of everything. I'm looking at, be it tractors, machines, stuff like that. I always look at to back up the service, and like at the touch of the phone, it's always answered. It's either a quick fix over the phone or within 40 minutes there's somebody here. Once a year we have Willie Allen's crew come in and we do a full check of the milking parlour. So really we leave it up to them. Sometimes they do, depending on the milkings and depending on how stuff is, they will do either a full service or they do a half service, but basically every year we do a full check-up. When the dealer comes to the farm, they listen to what issues I have. They actually show me what the issues are, how it happened, and what can be done maybe to prevent it again. From when we put in the milking parlour first, they were here that evening for the milking. They came back again when a few more questions built up. When we installed new equipment and any of that kind of stuff, they were always here during that milking to make sure that everything was working correctly and explain how things were working according as it went along. The milking parlour is in since 2017. Again, it looks like it was newly installed. Service is key to me for everything.